So in 2026, I plan to make over $500,000 from Upwork. And in this video, I'm going to give you all of the strategies, systems, and kind of overall plan that I'm going to execute this year to make this happen. This is a very big goal on Upwork, but it is 100% achievable. So let's get into the presentation, because who knows, maybe you can follow these strategies and actually do it for yourself as well. So guys, to achieve that 500K goal, I think it's important that you first understand that the average person on Upwork makes about $4,000 per month in the US. So about $48,000 a year is what the average person on Upwork makes. So if you're watching this video and you're trying to make 50K a year, just do it on Upwork. It's super easy. And to be honest, the average person is doing that. Now, for me to make 500K, I basically need to 10x this, more than 10x this average amount. That you've probably seen from my most recent videos. I've been able to do like, $17,000 in a month, consistently. And of course, that's obviously on the way to 500K. But even then, even if I was just to stay consistent at 170K, 180K a year, I'd still need to, 3-4x the amount of money for me to hit my goal. So to do that, we need to do this checklist. And this checklist is a pretty clear plan on exactly everything I need to do, but I want to go through each of these individually so that we can tick them off. So first and foremost, if we want to reach 500K, we have to have all of the outreach methods possible on Upwork being used. Right now, I'm only really using inbound. I'm using my profile, I'm using boosting, and I'm using a few other strategies to get a lot of inbound leads. And that's how I've been able to get, like hundreds of invitations every single month, get thousands of impressions of my profile. But I'm not really sending proposals, right? The reason I'm not doing that is just because I have other things that I'm doing. I'm, other business stuff that I have. And sending proposals every single day is quite time consuming. Really, actually only takes about an hour a day. I just couldn't be bothered. I didn't want to do it for the challenge. But if I want to get to 500K, I'm definitely going to have to send at least 10 to maybe even as high as 30 proposals a day to reach that level of scale. Obviously, if you're trying to make like 100K a year, you don't need to do anywhere near that. You could easily just do inbound alone and make way more than 100K a year. So I'm going to need to do both this inbound strategy and this outbound strategy as well. So boost my profile like crazy to get a lot of inbound leads, and also reach out to potential clients using Upwork's platform and Upwork's jobs that are being posted there every single day. The second thing that I need to do is I need to maximize all of the client revenue that I'm doing. So realistically speaking, the three main things I need to do is I need to charge more money per client. So every client moving forward, I need to try and charge more and more. Right now, I have a client for $12,000 per month. I need more of those. If I can get a few of those, then we can really crush it. And it'll make making this goal a lot easier. Because say, for example, I just work on even like $2,000 per month clients, it's still it's still quite small. We're going to need bigger contracts to make $500,000 in a year essentially from Upwork. So bigger contracts, we're going to need more repeat business. So the clients that I do work with, I need there to be monthly recurring income, and I need to consistently work with them on bigger and bigger and better deals. And I also need to ask for more referrals. This is something that I don't currently do. I'm not actually asking for referrals from my current clientele, but I should really be doing this, because even if they could just provide 1 to 3 people every year, that's a lot of extra money. Say, for example, my $12,000 per month client, if he could recommend me one other person like that, okay, great. We're making an extra 140K a year, assuming that we keep the client for that long. And yeah, so that's kind of the second stage. The third stage is we need to focus 100% on making my profile excellent. Now, in the next 1-2 days, I will be top rated plus, because I've reached all of the requirements. I'm currently top rated, but I'll be top rated plus in the next 2 days. I've actually already finished all the requirements. It just takes 2 days to show up, apparently, according to Upwork. And if I want to get the best clients and charge the most and reach 500K, I've got to have a stellar profile. So I need to be top rated plus. To be honest, at an ideal scenario, I'd like to try and be expert vetted. But expert vetted is the cream of the crop of Upwork. Only the top 1% of people are expert vetted, and it's invite only. You know, you can't even apply for it. It's only Upwork has to invite you to that program. And there's like a bunch of pre-screening and tests that you have to do, which, you know, concern me a little bit. So, you know, but if I could do that, I can get access to some big enterprise level clients. And then hitting this goal will be super easy if I can get that. But right now, I'm top rated plus, and, you know, I also still have 100% job success score. And if I can just maintain that over the year, I'm pretty confident that that's going to make a big impact on my ability to land clients. Because I've seen it with my students, you know, I've had students that are making 15K per month, and as soon as their job success score drops, you know, they start to, you know, taper off in terms of the type of leads that they can acquire. So it's really important that you keep your job success score at 100% at all times. That's definitely something that's truly powerful. And the other thing is I need to optimize my profile in general, right? So number one, if you may have seen on my new profile, I've optimized my portfolio section, I've optimized my title, my description, I've added a video introduction. I've really tried to make it a lot better. But I need to do even more of that. And I need to get more free testimonials. I need to get more 5-star reviews. And I just need to make it so good. You need to treat your Upwork profile like a funnel, you know? Most people treat their Upwork profile in like, it's actually insane to me that people think that they're going to make money from Upwork. They treat their profile like complete shit. Don't do that. Like, make it good. Show examples. On my profile, I've got videos of me walking through automations that I'm building. Why not? Get creative with it. And even, you know, it doesn't have to be so corporate as well. Like at the bottom of my profile, I talk about how I like going to the gym, for example, or that I was into jiu-jitsu, for example, right? Which I haven't done for ages since I messed my knee up. But again, optimize the profile. And to be honest, if we just do that alone, we have inbound and outbound systems. We have great profile trust, you know, visibility, top rated plus, expert vetted, 100% JSS. We charge more, get more repeat business, and also try and get some referrals, and just overall scale out my team for outsourcing, which is another aspect of it as well, because, you know, for 500K, you know, I can't be doing all the work myself, you know, and the team needs to do it. Right now, I'm on like 60 to 70% profit margins. I expect that to drop a little bit to get to 500K to remove myself. And obviously I still have, you know, Upwork, I still have my YouTube channel, I still have my coaching business, I still have some other ventures that I'm in. And, you know, I can't do all of those things at the same time. Even just doing this YouTube channel, coaching, and Upwork at the same time is a stretch. But I love this shit, and I'm a workaholic, so I love this. But if we do all of these things, we should be able to crush it. So here's the checklist if you want to take a, you know, picture of it. To be honest, if you do like 10% of this stuff, you'll be able to make 100K a year from Upwork, because that's what I'm currently on track to do anyway. So yeah, that's my plan, to make 500K in 2026 from Upwork. Who knows, maybe we'll even beat that. Maybe we'll get really close to it, but we'll come a bit short. To be honest, I haven't ever seen anybody on YouTube talk about making over $500,000 on Upwork. And I want to do this because I want to prove to you that this is possible. I don't want you to have any limiting excuses or limiting beliefs around Upwork. You can 100% make a shitload of money. I've got unlimited examples of my students making 10K per month, 15K per month, even some as high as 30K per month. And this is possible. You can do this. If your goal is to just make 3 to 5K per month, you know, and have full lifestyle freedom, location freedom, time freedom, then you don't need to even do like half of this stuff. You could probably just boost your profile, optimize your profile, charge a bit more, ask for some referrals, and get top rated, and you know, you're pretty much good to go. Like I said, the average person on Upwork makes 4,000. This is a huge goal to try and reach 500K, but it's possible. And if you want to follow me along on this journey, I would urge you to subscribe, because I'm going to be updating you along the way on how this journey goes. And who knows, maybe you can learn something and take some action as well. But I love you guys. I hope, honestly, you have an amazing 2026. I hope 2025 was good for you. And if it wasn't, now's the time to take action. But I'll see you in the next video. Peace.